Winter is here, and if you're planning to visit nursery to buy plants from your wish list, today's video is for you. Hold on, don't buy plants without watching today's video. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Perennials go dormant in response to adverse growing conditions. They stop growing and they conserve their energy until the growing season returns, which is the spring season, which comes in February-March. So today we'll talk about a list of plants that you must not buy during winters. Let's check out the list. So the first plant in the list would be aquatic plants like water lily and lotus. You may find these plants or their tubers at attractive price nowadays, but wait till spring because in winters these plants go dormant and its leaves will slowly get dried up, or it will look like it's got infested and the plant will look dead. So don't buy them now. Next in the list is ferns, be it Boston fern, fishtail fern or asparagus fern. Leaves will look yellow, dull and crisp with no shine on them. Also, you'll not see any new leaves growing in them. They are tropical plants and they thrive in warm and humid weather conditions. And in winters, there is very less humidity. Ferns flourish during summers and monsoon. Third in the list is Schefflera plant or umbrella tree. The plant looks dull and growth seems stunned, and you can see significant leaves drop or leaf yellowing during winters in this plant. Next is all the varieties of Calathea plant. Leaves will turn yellow and they'll look dull. You'll not see any growth into this plant. You'll not see any new shoot or new leaves growing into them. So avoid buying this plant during winters. Next is pothos or money plant. You will see significant leaf yellowing and drying, no shine on its green existing leaves during winters. Also, mealybug attack is a very common problem in this plant during winter. Money plant loves warm and humid weather for growth. Same goes with Song of India plant. You will see significant leaf drop or yellowing in the plant during winters. This plant also loves warm and humid weather for growth. So if it is in your wish list, wait till spring. Next comes Dumpkin or Dieffenbachia, which is a very common and hardy plant, but this plant also goes into dormancy during winters. You'll not see any new leaf coming up and the plant will look stunned, so wait till spring, then only buy these plants. Next is holy basil or tulsi. You must have witnessed significant leaf drop in this plant in winters. The plant also loves warm and humid weather. To save it from dying in cold, cover it with a thin layer of cloth at night if it gets really cold at your place. Then comes vinca of all the varieties. The leaves will turn yellow and growth seems stunned with very less flowering throughout the winter. Now comes all the varieties of hibiscus. The plant shed its leaves and produces very less flowers. It will resume heavy flowering and it will grow lots of new shoots and branches in a spring season. So if you're planning to buy hibiscus, hold on, wait for 2-3 months. Next plant in the list is ficus, be it starlight, the variegated one, or weeping fig, the green variety. They shed its leaves and the plant looks like it's drying up, but it will resume its growth with lots of new shoots and leaves in spring. Also, the remaining leaves on the plant looks quite dull with no shine on it during winters. So it's not a good idea to buy them now. And same goes with monstera plant. The leaf will look dull, little bit drying up and yellowing, and you will not see any new leaf coming up. Next in the list is philodendron, a very hardy and evergreen plant. If you're worried with its leaf yellowing or with no sign of growth, don't worry. The plant is going into dormancy. It will revive soon once favorable growing conditions are back. Next in the list is beautiful ornamental plant Caladium. This plant grows in summers or monsoon, so you may notice that its leaves are fading off or drying up, or sometimes it dries up completely and leaves the bulb behind there in the soil, which regrows once its season is back. The last plant in the list is a spider plant. Yes, they also go to dormancy during winters. You'll not see that shine and that color in the plant during winters. But yes, they do grow slowly, and once the spring season is back, they'll start growing rapidly and you'll see a significant growth in the plant. Apart from these 15 plants, there are few more common house plants that go to dormancy during winters, like jade plant, plumeria, adenium, dracaena, snake plant, fiddle leaf, fig, aglaonema, tangled heart plant, rockweed, rail lily, jasmine, and moss rose. I have recently shared a video on how to care your plants during winters so that you can save them from dying. Please do check it. I have shared the link in the description box. I hope you found the video helpful. If I missed any plant from this list, do let me know through comments and I will come up soon with one more interesting video. See you.